What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be doing some arms together at home. So if you're new, go ahead and click the subscribe button. We're not gonna be using dumbbells today. Instead, I have water bottles. I know a lot of people don't have dumbbells at their homes. So I decided to improvise and just use some water bottles. I think they're not even a pound heavy. Yeah, they're not even a pound heavy. So it's gonna give you a little bit of resistance, but it's not gonna be too heavy and too unbearable. We're just gonna up the reps so we can feel the burn. So whenever you're ready, go ahead and follow along and let's get into the workout. So this first workout, we're gonna be doing plank up downs, and this is actually gonna work out your arms more than your core. So what we're gonna be doing is you're gonna get into the plank position, and we're gonna do 3 sets of 10, and you're just gonna go like this. Just like that. We're gonna do that 3 sets of 10. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and follow along. Take your 30-second breaks and then get into set 2. Second 30-second break, and then we're gonna get into our last set together. This one's a tough one, I'm telling you. You're gonna feel the burn, you're gonna feel your tricep, you're gonna feel your body. Just control your breathing and take it at your own pace. Third set, last set, here we go. All right, good job. Go ahead and give yourself another break, and then we're gonna start the next exercise. This next exercise, we're gonna be laying on our backs, and you wanna grab your water bottles. What you can do is just lay down. We're gonna take one arm at a time. You're gonna hold it up, and you're gonna hold the back of that arm, and you're just gonna go forward and back up. Forward and back up. And we're gonna do 4 sets of 20. So go ahead and grab your weight or your water bottles, and let's get started. Go ahead and switch arms. Perfect. I don't need a 30-second break, and if you don't, go ahead and just hop into the next set. But if you do need your break, go ahead and take 30 seconds and then start set 2. Go ahead and take your 30-second break if you need it. If not, hop into the third set. Take a 30-second break if you need one, and then start set 4. That if you really don't give yourself too much of a break and you're just using water bottles, you do really kind of feel the burn. So let's get into our next exercise. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lay on our stomach for this one, and we're gonna go ahead and put our arms out. And what you want to do is have your body flat on the ground. Let me just take off this mic. Have your body flat on the ground just like this, and then raise your body up, swing one arm back, and then swing it forward, and then go for the other arm. And then swing it forward, put your body down. So we're gonna do that 4 sets of 10. go ahead and take a 30-second break, and then we'll get into set 2. All right guys, good job if you got through that one. It is a tough one as well, I'm telling you. So for the last workout, we're gonna be using our water bottles again, and you're gonna grab both of them this time. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna do butterflies. You can sit or you can stand. I'm just gonna sit because if I stand, you won't be able to see my head in the viewfinder or the camera. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go up and in, back out and down. We're gonna do 3 sets of 15. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and start. All right, take a 30-second break, and then whenever you can, get into set 2. If you're not quite sore enough from that one, just hop right into set 2 and keep those muscles burning. right, I'm gonna take my 30-second break right now because, girl, my arms are on fire. And then get into the last set of 15, and then we're done for the day. Yay, good job, guys. All right, 30 seconds is up, and I'm gonna get into the last set. Man, I feel the burn from these water bottles. I'm telling you, don't underestimate these water bottles. They're not heavy when you just pick them up for a second. But when you work out with them, girl, I can't tell you how much pain I'm in right now. All right, guys, if you got through this workout, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next workout. Bye.